Hello everyone, Michael Paggi here, and welcome to the Millionaires Investment Group. And today we're going to be discussing how to purchase vacant lots in this hot market in Southwest Florida. So what I'm going to be doing is explain to you why it's the right time, what to look for, and how to make money in quarter-acre, cheap vacant lots wholesale. So first off, I want to tell you a little bit about the Millionaires Group. We are a large investment network of over 10,000 members, and we have 1,600 active investors. And we invest in all different kinds of sectors. For example, we invest in real estate, of course. We invest in businesses. We invest in new startup companies. We invest in all kinds of alternative assets like oil and gas, etc. And one of the things I want you to know is that being diversified is what's made me get through some of the tough times, and also spreading out my money into many different sectors has helped me grow my portfolio. So what I want to share with you today is the secrets on building wealth with land. Now, I wrote a book on building wealth tax-free, and this particular book is unbelievable in that it has many of my secrets in there about investing in vacant lots and how to buy lots on terms and how to sell them on terms. So I'm going to be teaching you and showing you exactly how to get ahead quickly with very little headaches, meaning nothing to do with vacant lots, and where to find the hottest properties that are going up right now, that are accelerating as we speak. So first off, remember that all investments need to be looked at closely. And I want to make sure you guys understand that I'm not a stockbroker or financial planner. I'm an investor just like you. I invest in many different things, and I make mistakes just like you do. So I want to make sure that you do your due diligence first on everything that we discuss, and that you make your own decisions and don't base anything on my opinion. Because I've been doing this a long time, but we all make mistakes, so I want to make sure you guys are doing your homework. So let's talk about vacant lots. We're going to be explaining to you here about how do you find wholesale vacant lots from our group, and how do we help you to get ahead. The first area that we want to talk about is Southwest Florida, because in this area, years ago, you used to be able to buy lots in there for $10,000, $20,000, and they were going up to $30,000, $40,000, and $50,000. And then the market took a turn down, and the lots went all the way back down to $3,000, $4,000, and $5,000. Well, as of about 6 months to a year ago, many investors started going back into the market and buying vacant lots like in Citrus Springs. Citrus Springs and Cape Coral, Lehigh Acres. And you may say, yeah, maybe you didn't have good luck there before or whatever, but now's the time to buy at the bottom. As you know, that when you're buying at the bottom, you're starting from where we were buying these lots maybe 8 years ago, 8 or 10 years ago. So right now, we're buying lots in Southwest Florida wholesale by buying low from individuals who were trying to buy out the bottom and continuously send out offers every day. We're sending out thousands of offers a month and buying lots wholesale and selling them wholesale into investors' accounts, meaning helping investors to find vacant lots where we do all the work. We find the lots, we inspect the lots to make sure they're buildable, and then we make sure that there's no liens on the property and make sure it's a good, high-quality lot. But right now, there's such a demand for vacant lots in Florida that the price is going up like crazy. It's like just like the old days. Everyone is going back into investing again and getting into buying vacant lots while they're cheap. So now's the time to get back in and start buying lots under 10 grand and maybe hold them for a few months or a few years depending on what your time frame is. But when you buy a lot wholesale, we're getting it for a discount to the market, and many of you may be interested in just flipping the lots. And others, you may want to hold them for longer term and then sell them off on terms, where you can sell them off for a discount and sell them off for an interest rate, meaning become the financer for these lots on the way out, where you sell them on terms at 0 down, 100% financing, no credit check, everyone approved. So right now, investing in Southwest Florida like Citrus Springs or Cape Coral, Lehigh Acres is a hot idea in the sense that you can buy a quarter-acre piece of land for just under 10 grand, maybe like 7 or 8, and many of them are already selling for 10 grand on the MLS today, meaning that we're buying them cheap enough where there's still some room for you, so you can go ahead and benefit by maybe reselling them later or holding on for longer term. The point is that definitely take a close look at this, and if you're interested, please either email us or give us a call at our office here, and we'll be able to assist you in giving you the information. We can also finance you. Let's say that you don't have enough funds to purchase a vacant lot for 7, 8, or 9,000, whatever it may be. In that case, we will be your bank. We will finance you if you put a down payment down. We will finance you and carry you with no prepayment penalty, and you could basically control real estate like I do. So in my book that I was talking about, I teach you how to control real estate, not own it, but how to control real estate, like vacant lots. So for me, my success has come from acquiring vacant lots on terms, by putting a down payment down on vacant lots, and then making payments to the seller, rather than buying lots free and clear outright. So what's better, to buy one lot for $5,000 and pay for it free and clear, or to buy 10 lots with $500 down payment and finance the rest? Well, for me, I made huge gains by controlling lots, by putting down payments and making payments over 5 years and then selling them on similar terms. So I want you to get used to learning how to make money from vacant lots, how to make it a cash flow king, but even more so, how to do all of this in your self-directed Roth IRA. So maybe in your IRA right now you have $2,000 or $3,000 or $500 or whatever. No problem. You can use that just like I did for down payments on vacant lots and control real estate where we finance you. So we find the lots, we make sure they're buildable, they have to be high quality, only the best, in subdivisions that already have houses and paved roads and people moving in and development going on and roads getting widened. We look for areas that have high growth. So our research department has found the hottest areas to invest in vacant lots. So for those of you that are an investor and looking to accumulate land in your portfolio in this down market, we're the group to help you with that. We're experts at finding vacant lots and making sure they're buildable, making sure that they don't have any liens on the property, and then helping you to get them into your IRA or your LLC or whatever you're using as your investment vehicle. So remember, use your IRA for this stuff. Invest in vacant lots using your IRA self-directed and also using an administrator, and make sure it's a Roth IRA, which is tax-free, and get some momentum so you can become very wealthy in half the time. So if you're interested in learning more about the vacant lots in Southwest Florida, then please email us or contact us by phone, and we'll be glad to assist you in that, okay? So thank you very much. Please call or email us with your questions. Always leave your phone number in an email or on the voicemail. Always leave your phone number so we can get back to you. Thank you very much.